Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how you can find your posts on others' timelines by date on Facebook using a PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made this process more streamlined, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Under this section, click on Activity Log. This is where all your Facebook activity is organized. In the Activity Log, find the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this, click on Posts. A new list of options will appear. Select your posts on others' timelines. This will filter out posts you've made specifically on other people's profiles. Now, look at the top of the page. You'll see a button labeled Date. Click on it to open a date filter. Here's where you can narrow down your search. Choose the specific time period you're looking for by selecting the year, month, or even a specific day. Once you've made your selection, click Save Changes. And that's it. Facebook will now display all the posts you've made on others' timelines within the chosen time frame. It's a simple yet powerful way to locate specific interactions without endless scrolling. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. See you in the next video.